All right, well, today is June the 10th, 2018, and we're looking at the skies over Southern California. We've got a lot of chemtrails here in the northern skies and also the western skies looking north, and now we're panning to the west. And we can see a lot of haze. There's a low pressure system up north moving through, and that is there is an associated frontal system which is moved down into the Southern California area, and unfortunately, once again we have an opportunity for some precipitation. And what do we see but the chemtrail jets are out spraying, and we can see a couple of them right here. One of them right behind that partially dead pine tree, sugar pine. These pine trees here with the long needles are sugar pines, and they get that name because the bark smells sweet. Now, as we pan over further, we can see more chemtrail haze in the skies. And looking to the south, you see a streak there between those two trees. And a jet right there flying to the northwest, leaving a trail. But here we see a guy leaving a dashed line. Let's zoom in on that. And we can see that right there, they're leaving a dashed line. So we have moisture. If you take a look at the NOAA Goes West water vapor map for the Western U.S. and also the East Pacific, you'll see the water vapor diving down, and there was a low pressure system that was superheated as it moved between the California and Nevada border. We can see that right now on the maps. There was a hurricane, Alita, which was briefly a Category 4 storm with I think it was 140 mile-per-hour winds on the 7th. And the 8th, that has been superheated. That's been attacked, targeted with microwave or laser energy, and that has weakened Alita down to a 45 mile-per-hour tropical storm. And right behind Alita is a new storm, tropical storm right now, named Bud, which is generating 65 mile-per-hour winds, right on the heels of Alita, which was targeted and superheated. Here we see this jet just moving right over the top of that one pine tree. You can see the chemical residue that they're spraying, and that will spread out into this chemical haze that we're seeing here. And that prevents the lift in the atmosphere. We have cooler temperatures today, and so we've got a Bud forming in the East Pacific, tropical storm Bud. That'll be a hurricane probably by later tonight or tomorrow. Keep an eye on that and do another update later. Okay, that's it.